Welcome guys to another video today. Today, me I me and Yusuf are going to play Prove Our Mom to Be a Basketball.
Are you gonna want me that game because I just know
Okay, Yusuf, come. Yusuf, come here, come here. Yusuf, come. I can now show you something. Look. I can be something cool. Yeah, look at mine. LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, Yeah. Wait, what? Really?
Yeah.
Wait, can I see? Oh yeah. Nice.
Click this camera phone.
Oh, okay. Nice. Okay, I got one tape.
I'm not good at this game.
Yeah, I'm also good at this game. I also up. Oh. What? Oh, friends. Upon friends 6. This is friends 7. Yeah. Oh, Lennon Lights 1. Yeah. What? Yeah. I already record. Okay. Oh, I can buy it now. The Lennon lights. Yeah. Perfect. Wait, Joseph, do you want to reboot or no? Okay, Joseph. If you say no, we're not going to reboot. Okay, if you say yes, we're gonna reboot, okay?
I'm a reboot. No.
Okay, I'm not gonna reboot because you said no, okay?
Kung solo ka lang sa bahay, ilang araw kaya tatagal ang 1,000 pesos na budget sa pagkain? Ang sabi mo ay...
Tagal naman.
Ang sabi ng service sa one bigay. Ang top answer ay 3 days na ko mo dyan, Mark. Sa magic show, anong karaniwang pinalulutan ng magician? Ang sabi mo yung
Okay, record game. Let's go.
Sa pwede i-collect sa cellphone. Ang sabi mo ay earphones. Ang sabi ng sabi ay top answer.
LeBron James.
Grasshopper. Ang sabi ng survey ay ang top answer ay langaw.
Okay, I need to prove Mom to be wrong. Okay. Thanks.
You have so good name.
Yeah.
You have so good name.
Okay. Oh, I
I
missed
have
one.
3 billion names.
Oh.
You have 1 name.
Oh, damn, I got so many friends.
Ng South Cotabato at mag-ingat kayo pa uwi ng Makoy. Okay. Maraming salamat, Pilipinas.
I got manager too.
Araw-araw na maghahatid ng sarili kaya
Pa. Oh, is this my friend? My friend Bacon. I love bacon. I love bacon. I love you, Bacon. Ma.
Yeah.
What?
You do my picture. You see a map. You see the
Okay.
picture.
Where
I
are
think will
you?
be my stuff. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wait, Joseph, you have that bacon, right? Come. Follow me. I have something to show. There's a bacon there, okay? Look. There's also a bacon.
What the? Bacon.
Yeah, there's bacon.
Wait, that's your camera.
Yeah.
Who's this?
Yeah. Oh, Joseph, come. There's a second floor. This is all of my friends. Dun. Wallpaper. Ice cream. Give me the Coca-Cola. Ba.
Kay Pangulong
Po.
dating House Speaker Martin Romualdez.
Po.
Personalidad, nakatanggap din daw ng
Po.
Ako naman sa kanila ng
Daddy,
Po.
my video.
Tapos gusto na raw matapos ang
Po.
FBI.
Po.
Impormasyong sinuhulan ni dating Congressman
Po.
ang 18 dating sundalo.
Po.
Umalma naman.
Po. Okay, Joseph. Joseph, what is your max rebirth? What is your max rebirth?
Sumalpok sa kasalubong na tricycle. Ito.
Yes, reboot.
Yeah.
Again, reboot the TikTok high.
Okay. My max rebirth is gonna be 1. Okay, look. My max rebirth is 1. Max rebirth.
Ipanutaryo lang. At ang
1. Oh, okay.
tungkol sa kasama niya.
Okay. But our money is poor. But we're poor. Oh yeah, I'm poor at my house.
Goodness. Okay.
Okay. Last.
Plus a GMA Network segment. Ito.
Wow.
I have the first two guys.
Nice.
Magandang gabi.
Hey Yusef, look. I got so many pants. At the leaderboard.
Ribbon Committee.
Oh,
Ganyan
nice.
ang lumalabas ngayong pareho itiniis ng mga paksyon
What?
ni Senador
What?
Win Gatchalian at Senador Alan Peter Cayetano
Nothing
ang
daw.
kontrol sa Senado.
Nagkaso ba ng ituloy ni Cayetano ang pagdinig sa flood control scandal? Hindi schedule na.
Why is my tummy so hurt? Why is my tummy so hurt?
Ilang politiko at personalidad naman ang pinangalanan ng dating 8
Huh? Oh, I thought you're
na
sleeping.
hinatiran nila ng mali-mali
That
ng
this
pera.
guy in the wood.
Kabilang daw dyan,
I'm a good shooter in the wood.
Senador Tito
Wood?
at ang isinutlo ng Gatchalian Block bilang chairman ng
Really?
committee na si
Oh.
Senator Justin Tulo.
What? Let me just record more. Mama, I can approve your. I can approve your. I can approve you wrong. I can be a basketball.
Mga dating sundalo.
Shoot.
Hatid ng mali-mali pera na Pinoy.
Galing, ha? Walang regalo ng Jollibee sa kanya.
Ilang miyembro ng first.
Ito sa birthday ko. 7 years old birthday.
Kaya ba?
Again.
Gift.
Again.
Alas 10 sa umaga.
One,
Pinangunahan na ni
two,
Senador Pia Cayetano ang
three,
dinig.
Yeah, yeah.
Five.
At isa sa agad na itinulong niya.
Nagulat na lang ako na nakita
What?
ko doon si Secretary John Vic Remulla. Hinaharap ako.
Wait, is that your friend Spider Is that your friend Spider Sammy?
Isa pa raw kasabay ng pagdinig si Senadora Cayetano sa Committee on Ways and
Is that your
Means.
friend?
Pinasa na nito kay Senador Rodante Marcoleta na isa niyang vice chairman ang pamumuno
Oh.
sa pagdinig. Pinuna ni Marcoleta na walang inimbitahan si dating Speaker Martin Romualdez pati na ang mga
Yusef, we can even move. Yusef, we can Yusef, we can also move. We are basketball. We can also move with basketball. Look at this. Yusef, come. Follow me. Come. Right here. See?
Wala ang mga taga-Blue Ribbon Committee Secretariat. Kaya si Senate President Cayetano na ang sa pag-take ng oath ng resource
Do it.
persons. May punto ring naputo ng live feed ng
Lol.
Senado. Dati na nagsalita
Lol.
ang dating sundalo.
So funny.
Bahagi ng pondo mula sa mga substandard o
Yeah.
flood control projects.
Wait, Yusef, Yusef, you can unlock this. Yusef, you can unlock the flowers now.
Sa komite, si Atty. Baligod. Sa pagdinig ng paksyon ni
You can unlock the flower.
Sinabi ng mga dating sundalo na nagsimula ang pagde-deliver ng mali-malitang pera mula ng
Back,
bilang
back.
Appropriations Committee Chairman
Marco
si dating
Paz.
Congressman Zaldi Go hanggang sa mawala ito sa poder. Ayon sa isa sa kanila, 3 hanggang 4 na beses kada
I
linggo
cannot
sila
prove you
nagde-deliver
wrong.
ng malitang
I cannot
may
prove you
pera
wrong.
na hindi
I cannot prove you
mababa
wrong.
sa 20 maleta.
Shoot.
Iba't iba ang sukat ng mga maleta.
Shoot.
You want that? I'm just gonna watch my video.
Yung
Yeah.
small, Your Honor, is
Yeah.
nagkaroon ko ng
Wait, Joseph,
20
look.
to 25
See? I got 11 tapes.
yung medyo
I got 11 tapes.
40 to
Now it's gonna be 12 tapes now. In 3, 2, 1.
Ilang personalidad
It's right here, the 12th one.
nang mali-mali ang pera.
Sir, si dating Speaker Martin Romualdez po. Meron po kaming
Give me that tape.
mga pictures.
Give me that tape. Now I got the letter.
Sila sa Ilocos.
I'm a millionaire now.
Narinig ko po nun, sir,
What?
para kay President Marcos. Sir.
How did we get so here?
What?
Totoo yung... Kasi nandun ka ba nung i-deliver?
Kami po kasi yung nagdala doon sa Delta del Sierra. Kasi
Hello
kami
guys,
yung kasama
welcome
ni
to
Boss
my
Andy na
microphone.
sa Ilocos.
There,
Si
you
Senador
know.
Amy Marcos.
It's me, Yusef. Yusef, I'm on here.
Maleta sa Ilocos.
Yusef, is that your brother?
Nag-receive lang
Oh.
po kung sino po doon sa paway pong nag-receive po.
Alam niyo yung address?
Oh my God.
Is that your brother?
Your
Yes,
Honor, hindi
of
po kasi gabi po kami dumating
Oh.
ni Kong Saldi doon sa area po.
Ani tubig.
What the hell is that
Kanilang
news
bahay,
now?
kaming tubig.
What?
Pero hindi niya tiyak.
Yusef, Yusef, look.
Doon lang sa ano, sa
Yusef, this guy,
Ako po yung mga
does this, this, why, this,
pictures din po sila ng
okay. This name why have 2,000 bands.
po ng mga anak niya. At saka
So nakapasok pala kayo.
Look, see, 2,000 bands at a little ball.
Sila opisyal sa Ilocos.
Ayoko.
Yung nanix po, si President din, si First Lady po yung dumating na dinner po sila ni Kong Sandy.
Binasa ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano na nakasaad sa affidavit ng mga dating sundalo na kasama sa nakakirang baleta si Senador Tito Soto ng panunong kampanya noong 2024.
This, no?
Wait, wait.
Sing, ay, ha? Sing, sing.
Yeah, the best YouTuber in the world.
Yeah.
The favorite now.
Naman yun.
And the best YouTuber in the entire world.
What?
Ni Cayetano kung bakit nakasama sa
Oh,
listahan
no.
si Senador Erwin Tulfo.
That's all you.
Yeah.
Erwin po ng dalawang beses.
This,
Yung una po, dalawang malita, tapos yung pangalawa po,
Yusef,
Yung dalawang maleta.
how did he get that? How did he get that? Look at his rebirth. 10,000.
Prominenteng figura sa mga investigasyon tungkol sa mga confidential funds si Vice President Sara Duterte
How did we get that?
at Sara Representative Terry Redon.
si Terry Redon sir.
FBI, open up.
Sir, yung sa kanya DW sir.
Terry Redon yung congressman ngayon.
Yes sir.
Is that my basketball trainer?
Ano naman ang binigay ko?
Isang maliit din sir.
Dawit
Beep,
daw.
beep,
Yeah,
beep.
he's only found it.
Oh,
At si Evan Ortiz
to
Representative
touch my heart, baby. I don't know.
si Father Flavie Villanueva.
Why is someone's name like that? It's a clown. Wait, Joseph, you can unlock the rocking chairs.
Si Father Flag.
Joseph, you can unlock the rocking chairs now.
Hinatiran mo ng
Rocking chairs.
Mindanao up.
You can unlock the rocking chairs right here. I'm right outside. I'm outside. Oh, nice. Okay, let me just AFK because I cannot eat again. Dad, gusto mo ba? Bet. What? Yes, Mom.
5 million pesos para sa kanilang pag-testify. Ang mabili na
Dad, gusto mo?
dahil sa ginawa namin. Totoo. Kasi itong ginawa
Ay,
namin
ma,
dito ko sa
siguro
sarili para
na-touch
sa
natin
bayan
yung
ito.
lawang idada.
Kaya huwag niyong sabihin na natumanggap kami ng 5 milyon.
Yeah, moon walking where I'm
Kapalit ng
shooting.
dignidad namin
Billie Jean, that my lover. She's just a girl.
We do
Ow.
Tuloy, namatay po siya ngayon eh.
Yeah, you get it out.
Yusef, come to my second floor. Come to my second floor. I just found something.
Ngayong araw na ito.
What?
What
What the? Look at my second floor.
Pia, umaasa naman sinasabi Duterte
Baller.
at Rodante Marcoleta na hindi ito ang huling araw ng
Oh my God, look at that.
tungkol nga sa flood
No
control
way.
scandal. Marami pa raw kasing dapat kusisiin lalo na sa iba't ibang pang mga ebidensya at detalye
No way bro
sa
has
mga
that.
deliver ng mali-malitang
Bro,
pera.
this is
Ang bagong mayorya naman, tinawag na bogus at illegal ang pagdinig ay sinagawa
Okay.
ng kampo
See you in the
ni
next
Cayetano.
channel.
Yan ang latest mula rito sa Senado.